Welcome to the Draconic Zoo. Today we are showing one of the most ferocious specimens, the swamp and river dragon. It can reach 10 meters long and is so ferocious that it jumps on anything moving. Likes to dive in the water and hide to surprise its prey. Has one of the most powerful jaws. Practically eats anything that has meat. Adult males can't stand each other and are extremely aggressive. Females are extremely protective of their eggs. You are welcome again to visit. Don't forget to subscribe for more.